Oh my!
FNAF Co-op is just like any other FNAF game, where you have to spend 5 nights at Freddy's checking the surveillance camera and checking for the animatronics. It's a really fun game with jump scares so shocking, you don't want to miss it. And as always, please like and subscribe.
Okay, we're here in the game. Let's go. So,
What is this? FNAF
what
2?
FNAF do you want? What FNAF?
I wanna play FNAF 2.
Okay, let's do FNAF 2. Bro, are you ready?
Ready. I'm all
Let's
ready.
do this. Wow! Oh my goodness. Oh, wait. My sensitivity is so thingy. So, okay, never mind. Let's go.
What do I need
Wow,
this
guys.
mask for?
Look at the graphics. It's good. It's Mango.
What
Hello,
do I need this
Mango.
mask for?
Why are you moving? Alright, let's do this. Alright, let's go. Head to the office. Hello, Balloon Boy.
This Balloon Boy. Is this like a good guy or a bad guy?
Balloon Boy steals your flashlight battery. Okay, let's go, brother.
What the hell?
Okay.
Skip?
Hello.
Oh, it's different from the last game. Can I go inside? Oh, I can go in. Wait. I can't go inside.
Close the light. Okay.
Wait, what's the difference from this game to the other game?
Let me tell you something. So, this game is different from FNAF 1 because there's no doors. Yes, there's no doors. So, in this game, in this FNAF, we need to go to cam 11, go to camera 11, go to camera 11.
Okay.
Look at that. Do you see the wind up music box?
Okay, what?
We need to wind up every second. Because
Why?
if that wind, oh my goodness, I can't stop. If that music box stops, we're cooked. Okay. So next up we have Kentucky. Toy Chica. Okay. Toy Chica comes in this vent right
Wait,
here, bro.
where?
Chica comes in this vent, bro.
Left side? Okay.
If you saw Chica there, put on the mask. Because Chica doesn't know if you're Freddy or a security guard. This is where Toy Bunny is.
What's that?
The blue rabbit.
Okay.
Toy Freddy comes in the
So
front.
what do we do if that bunny,
Also put on the mask.
then if that
Toy Freddy.
what do we do?
Put on the mask as well.
So it's easy. I can just put on the mask all the time. Okay.
Not. Oh no! Music box! Oh my goodness! I literally forgot about that. Oh my goodness, we almost died.
Why do I need
Oh my-
this door? What can we do in this door? Can we hide?
I have no idea. I have no idea, bro. There's no hiding in the original game, so I have no
So we
idea.
can hide. Wow.
Oh no! Chica is gone, bro. Chica is gone. Chica is on 7.
I'm just gonna hide. You can play.
Chica is gone. Which camera? Chica is gone. I can see her. Bunny is here in camera 4. Brother.
What's this? Oh,
Freddy is in cam 10. Cam 10, Freddy.
Freddy.
Oh,
Wow.
Mang. Yeah. Okay, where are they?
Oh my God. There's
Gone.
Chica, bro. Chica's in.
She will not do anything, bro.
Even if I go outside.
Don't go outside, bro. Ready.
Do I need to put on the mask?
Bunny is in the vent. Put on the mask. Oh wait,
How do
never
you
mind.
know?
Never mind. Don't put on the mask.
Bro, what's that sound? Patang.
Put on the mask. Mask.
Bye, bitch!
Oh, stop it.
Okay.
Get out. How will we know
So,
if...
okay, this.
Bro, Yuli, what?
Wanna try my Rose toy catch?
What?
Satan.
Yeah, because they are right in front of us. Ay, Chica is going to the vent now, I think. Ay, Chica is in the vent. Yep, Chica is in the vent. Don't put on the mask. Let's wait for her. Put on the mask. Okay.
I'm pwede, I'm not. Go wind up the music
You
box.
just...
Oh, nice.
Yay! We did it! Oh my goodness! What?
Okay, first night.
What
First
the
night.
heck was that? Oh my
Easy,
goodness.
easy.
Let's go. 24. Alright, night 2, brother.
Good,
Night
good, good,
2.
good.
So you need to kill the... I can say anything. Hi, bro.
Bro, why you bold?
Let's go.
Bro, you bald eh.
What?
You're bold.
No, I'm not. No, I'm
You
not.
are,
bro.
you are.
What are
Why are you bold?
No, what are you talking? No, I'm not bro.
Wait,
bro,
you
bro,
bought-
what are you talking
You
about,
bought
bro?
the
No, bro.
janitor! You liar! Friends don't
No, bro.
lie!
No, bro.
Yuli, friends don't lie. Why did you buy? Why did you buy the janitor? Yuli, friends don't lie. You liar.
Hi, bro. Goodbye. I'm going to kill.
No!
Bro, you can do that. This is
No.
easy.
I can't do this on my own. If I die, it's your fault. Yuli, why did you
Bro, don't forget the music box, bro. Don't forget the music box. The music box, bro. Don't forget the music box. Are you winding the music box?
every single time?
Alright, that's good, bro. That's good. Okay, bro. Can you tell me where? Can you tell me where are they?
Bro, wait. I heard like something. But then...
Shine your flashlight.
Oh, I don't like this. Why did you do this? No.
Bro, look at the. Okay.
Give
Now
me
what?
the music
Let
box.
me
I
just.
forgot. What the hell are these guys?
Hi.
Oh my god, I died, Yuli. You...
Oh no.
I told you.
Well.
Okay.
Ah, you know what? I'm killing myself. Kill me, bro. Let's restart. Let's restart.
I told you, Yuli, I can't survive this. I told you.
Let's try this again, guys. Number 2. Let's do this. Let's
I
make you one
died
can I
because
buy.
Yuli did that. Why did you do that?
I'm buying the policeman, bro.
Yuli! Don't protect me if we're gonna buy the policeman.
Okay, let's do this. What's the fastest?
Bunny
Faster walk.
looks like
Okay, let's
the-
go, bro.
The dance from like that one movie. I forgot the name, but it's like.
What do you see? You people gazing at me.
So what do? You're gonna protect me?
I have a taser, bro. I can stun the enemy.
So you're gonna protect me?
Yeah, I'm going to protect you this time. I'm not going to
So
go outside.
where's the lights? I don't know where's the light.
Look, just click the front. Click this. Click here.
Where?
Click this door. Click that door.
Where?
Click it. Oh, it's lighting up. It's the light. Oh my goodness. I never.
Because
Just
you're
click this button.
no.
Oh no. The thingy. Music box. I want to try
Oh,
some.
okay, I get it. Oh, okay. Oh,
Hi.
what was that?
Hi.
It's now. It's Balloon Boy. Don't.
Weapon.
Oh, Paxi. Just shine your flashlight. Shine your flashlight. Shine your flashlight.
Hi.
Foxy, get out. Get out, Foxy.
Stop flashing. Ah, there we go.
Hi.
Who's that?
Oh, wait, there's someone here.
Who's there? Put on the front. Okay. Yes. Let's go. Okay, I'm right. Okay.
There, who's that guy on the top?
Oh no, Mangel. Put on the mask, I think. Put on the mask.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
You died.
How did you die?
By Bonnie.
Bro, oh no.
So what do? You're gonna protect me?
I have a taser, bro. I can stun the enemy.
So you're gonna protect me.
Yeah, I'm going to protect you this time. Okay, guys. Attempt number 3. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna protect my boy. I'm gonna protect my boy. Okay, final attempt.
Protect me.
Okay.
Why didn't you do that? Why didn't you do that? Why didn't
Bro,
you do that?
you literally died to a bunny, bro. You just put on the mask. Put on the mask. So how did
I
you
don't
die to a
know. I
bunny?
don't know where this bunny go. I don't freaking know because I don't play this game.
Oh, no. Bunny, come here, bro.
I didn't even see Bunny. Where the hell is she?
It's a he.
Oh, he. I don't know.
Okay, Mangel. Why is Mangel alive? Okay, you know what? Just hide. I'm gonna do the job. Foxy, shine your flashlight. Okay, stop.
Hi.
Bro, what's that?
It's Balloon Boy, I think.
Where's Balloon Boy? Where the hell is Balloon
Who is-
Boy?
Wait a minute, I have no idea, bro.
Hi.
What's that? Boy,
Oh, Foxy. Okay, get out of here.
out.
Oh no, Mangel. Put on the mask, I think. Put on the mask. Shoo, Mangel, what are you doing here? Put on the mask. Balloon boy.
Ah, Balloon Boy. Yo,
Up.
the birthday.
Cheetah.
There's so many, bro. What the hell?
Okay, mask. Mask. That was so close. Get out of here, bunny. Okay. Mangel is then. Oh no! Come on! What time is it, bro? It's 4 a.m. We're gonna lose battery. Don't waste battery! Wait.
I'm just gonna hide.
Okay.
No, Balloon Boy yun, Balloon
Okay.
Boy. Balloon Boy.
Balloon boy. Ay. Come on, 5 a.m. 1 bar of battery. Don't use the battery, bro. Don't use. Okay.
Gonna hide.
Oh no, Foxy. Okay. Okay, come on, we're so close. Wait, bro, let's finish the game. Okay. Come on, 1 a.m. left. Let's do them. Mas. Let's go! Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. We did it. Oh my goodness. Well, guys,
Tonight.
that's the end of the video. Oh, wait. Let's go to the front. Okay. Screw you! Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to subscribe to my boy Aria. His channel will be in the description. Okay, boy, what do you have to say for the viewers?
If you guys wanna see a part 2, like if you guys want to see it, night.
I just wanted to say that I hope you guys liked that video, and I hope you guys want to see more. And my mic was tweaking, and I'm gonna try to improve on my mic. And as I said earlier, my cousin is in my front, and he's laughing at me. I don't know why. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video if you went here. Then good afternoon, good evening, good night. Bye!